Good morning, students. Now discuss about the ideal operational amplifier. An operational amplifier is an integrated circuit that can amplify weak electrical signals. An operational amplifier is basically three-terminal device. One is two is input terminal, and other one is third one is output terminal. Okay, one of the input is called the inverting input marked with negative. Another is called non-inverting input marked with positive. The third terminal represents the operational amplifier output port. The output signal is multiplied by the value of the input signal. Amplification factor multiplied by the value of the input signal. The ideal characteristics of the op-amp. This is the symbol for ideal op-amp. The characteristics are infinite open loop gain A0, infinite input resistance, 0 output resistance, infinite bandwidth, 0 offset. Right? The first one is the open loop gain AV0, voltage gain. The main function of the operational amplifier is to amplify the input. The open loop voltage gain without any feedback for an ideal op-amp is infinite. The typical values of open loop voltage gain for real op-amp ranges from 20,000 to 2 lakhs. The next one is input impedance is at in. It is infinite. The input impedance is the ratio of the input voltage to input current. The input impedance of ideal op-amp is infinite. That is, there are no current flowing in the input current. The real op-amp have input leakage currents from few picoamps to few milliamps. Okay. The third one is output impedance is at out. It is also 0. The output impedance of the ideal operation amplifier is 0. This internal resistance is effectively in series with load, thereby reducing the output voltage available to the load. But in the case, in the output impedance 0, the perfect internal voltage source with no internal resistance, so that can supply as much current as necessary to the load. Okay. Another one ideal characteristics is bandwidth. Bandwidth is infinite, and ideal operational amplifier has infinite frequency response and can amplify any frequency signal from DC to the highest AC frequencies. With real op-amp, the bandwidth is limited by the gain product, bandwidth product, GB, gain bandwidth product, which is equal to the frequency where the amplifier's gain becomes unity, right? Another one characteristics of op-amp, offset voltage, Vi0, it is also 0. The amplifiers output will be 0 and the voltage difference between the inverting and non-inverting input is 0. The same or when both inputs are grounded. In real op-amp, some amount of output offset voltage available. Okay. The last one is common mode rejection ratio, CMRR. The CMRR of an ideal op-amp is infinity. CMRR means the ratio of difference gain with common mode gain, right? That means it is able to reject all common mode signal. And the AD is infinite for an ideal op-amp and ACM is 0. Therefore, the CMRR of an ideal op-amp is infinite. From that, we know it will reject any signal which is common to both. However, real op-amp have finite CMRR and does not reject common mode signals. Okay, so finally, the input finally we conclude the ideal characteristics of op-amp is infinite open loop gain, infinite input impedance, 0 output resistance, infinite bandwidth, zero offset voltage, and high CMRR, high infinite CMRR. Thank you.